All right, check it out. I installed this Empi strap kit to my transmission. I did it a couple years back and it was really shaky. But anyway, it wasn't that bad to put in. Between 1 and 10, I'd say maybe a 5. You just got to make sure it's all lined up and not pinching nothing off. And it helped big time because it was my engine would shake something fierce. So here's the strap. Goes over the horns, and then up front on the transmission strap, that was not that bad either, but it's kind of a, to get the engine off. I'm pulling the engine off today and swapping engines to my smaller one, a little more economical. My 1835 is going into my race car that I'm getting in a couple months. But then over here on this other side, I'll show you what I got to do. The fuel line, I put some spacers, washers, to build that up on one side, because that's where the fuel line comes in, and you don't want to, definitely want to pinch that off. And the Bowman tube for the clutch, it's actually slid, and it was pushing against that, causing my clutch to be all wonky. So I put those washers in there and that worked. So yeah, no instructions with the kit. This is what I did, and I hope this helps. All right, auto out.